In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track labor costs in QuickBooks Time, browser version. We're going to walk through a clear process to see exactly how much your labor is costing over a chosen period, and then verify the hours behind those costs. This is all done in the browser version of QuickBooks Time, and you'll want to be signed in with access to view payroll reports. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and select Reports. This is your hub for insights, and everything we need today will be under the Payroll section. Click Wage Report. This report calculates labor costs based on each team member's wage and the hours they've worked, including any overtime rules you've set up. It's a great way to understand the dollars behind your team's time. At the top, set the report dates to the exact period you want to review. A good practice is to match your payroll cycle so the figures line up with what you expect to pay. If you're analyzing a specific job period or month, choose a custom date range to keep everything consistent. If you only need to see certain people or groups, use the Filter by Groups or Team Members option. This is useful if your organization is structured by departments, job sites, or project teams, and you want to focus on a subset rather than the whole company. Once your dates and filters look right, click Run Report. You'll now see labor costs broken down by employee based on their wages multiplied by their tracked hours. Take a moment to scan the totals and make sure they look reasonable for the time frame. If something seems off, remember that wage accuracy and approved timesheets directly impact these numbers. Next, let's verify the hours that fed into those costs. Stay in Reports, and again under Payroll, click Hours Summary by Team Member. This report is perfect for cross-checking time totals so you know the cost calculations are grounded in the right number of hours. Set the same report dates you use for the wage report. Keeping the period identical gives you an apples-to-apples comparison. Click Run Report. Now compare the total hours worked here with what you saw in the wage report. You're looking for alignment. If an employee shows unusually high costs, make sure their total hours support that figure and check whether overtime contributed. This quick comparison helps catch data entry issues, missing approvals, or outdated wage rates before they affect decision-making. That's it. Track costs in the wage report, confirm hours in the hours summary, and you'll have a reliable view of your labor spend. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.